We're just like other people. We love to sing, we love to dance, we admire beautiful women. We're human, and sometimes very human.
What is going to happen now? It is, of course, necessary for the minds and souls of us all.
Alright, so when did you first start hooping?
2 years ago in July.
What got you into it? What made you want to start doing it?
I saw a video on YouTube of this girl named Rachel Lust, and she's an amazing hooper. She's so fast. I saw this video of her and I was just absolutely amazed because I had never seen a hooper do something like that. Like, I'd seen them, you know, at raves and such like that, but kind of got out of that culture. And I saw this video of her and it was just ridiculous, and just the comments on it were so positive and kind, and I wanted to be something like that. It was all about image at the time. It wasn't, it was, I wanted to just feel liked, and I thought that that would do it.
Okay, alright. Would you say that hooping is something that anyone can get into and do and enjoy?
Oh, yeah.
No age limits, nothing like that?
No. I would say just determination is really the only thing that you need. Because for real, you've seen the video of like that 78-year-old woman who's like a bodybuilder, and her body's better than half of us who are twice as young as her.
Age is but a number.
Exactly. So, yeah, I think
I guess as long as you're physically able, you'd say, yeah?
Yeah. Just, you have to want to do it.
Right.
Just, whatever your initial reason for wanting to do it, want it bad enough. And, like I said, it started out as an image and ego thing, but it turned into something so much more and so much deeper. Because, you know, when you start, you kind of expect to be that good, and you're not. And it's frustrating, and you're going to hit yourself in the face, and you're going to throw the hoop, and you're going to break things, and you're going to mess up, and you're going to look like shit for a while. And you're even when you're good, you're still not going to feel like that. You know that you can always fix something. There we go. You can always progress. So
with our special guest, the train.
Right?
So, what are a few tips you have for someone trying to get into hooping?
Don't give up. Record all of your progress. Record every practice session that you can, that your memory storage will allow you to, so that you can see your progress, so that you don't feel like that you're not going anywhere. Because I would feel like that I was some shit if I didn't physically see it, you know?
The change?
Yeah, just even when I look at my stuff now, I'm just like, oh, I have so far to go, but then all I have to do is just look back to when I still have the first video of when I was hooping, and it's so bad. It's so bad. But it's awesome to just see myself now and just where I've come from all of that. Because, yeah.
Do you have a favorite trick that you do?
Yeah. What'd you ask me? My favorite trick.
There you go.
I find myself doing a lot of normal escalators. I've been trying to get the reverse escalator a little bit better, but trying to get the transition into it quickly hasn't gone the way that I would like for it to. But anyways, I really like body rolls and breaks. Breaks I love a lot because I worked so hard on them. So hard. Like, if you go back far enough in my Instagram, you'll see a video of me like throwing a full-out temper tantrum because I couldn't fucking get breaks. But now I'm pretty good at them and I really like them. So yeah.
All right. Well, speaking of your Instagram, what is that, by the way? Where can people find you?
Oh, at MeowMix6. 2 X's. 6 at the end. Meow Mix.
Cool. Cool. All right. Yeah, tons of content on there. Tons of content.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite hoop that you use?
Any of my 5/8 day hoops. As much as I love my LED hoop, it's so heavy. And it's just... I just need to work more with it, honestly, and build up my strength, but I just love my little skinny day hoops that are just a little thing.
Tried and true.
Yeah. Those are my favorite. I have a bunch.
Okay.
And just a lot of different colors.
Nice. It's good to have a variety. Okay, well, what about future goals for this? What do you want to do with this? Does this just want to be like a hobby that you'll always do, or do you want to maybe incorporate this into something else, or what are your plans?
There's a lot of things I want to do with this. I want to perform because I really don't like going out that much. I can be a social butterfly. I can talk to anyone if it's a cool conversation, but I hate small talk. Oh my god, I hate small talk, and I feel like anytime you go out to a bar or club, that's all you do, and it's just like, is this even genuine? But when I'm hooping, I'm in my own space. Nothing else around me really matters. I don't see anybody. All I hear is the music, and I can just dance and be literally in my own circle. And so performing is definitely a big part of it. I also really want to teach, because what hooping has done for me, it taught me a lot about self-love and patience and just wanting something more for yourself. And I know I said it started out ego-driven, but it became so much more than that. I don't care about how I look, which is why I have no problem posting a video where I get hit in the face or if I drop it or whatever, because it's just like, I am sharing this because this is my art. This is a part of me. I'm sharing a part of me with you, and it's personal and you get to see it. Congratulations. Like, not like, oh, I'm the best thing in the world, but it's nice when someone feels comfortable enough with themselves to be able to share whatever it is that they're doing. You should never be ashamed of who you are and what it is that you do and what you love, and that is what it taught me. Even if you're not the best. I accept that I'm not the best, but I probably have the best attitude.
That's all that matters.
That's what matters. So, yeah.
All
That guy
right.
has a blinky light on his bike and... Oh, he's literally gone. I'm sorry. I want to work with young women and girls and be able to teach those lessons, and I really want to work in prison systems. I definitely think that that's where a lot of our women really, really need us. Other women, you know, to stick together and to hear your story, to not think anything of you, and to just, I don't know. We're gonna have to work on that. I don't know how to word it. I just want to teach those cool lessons to anybody and everybody.
In a nutshell.
In a nutshell. Oh,
Okay.
I wish I had a pistachio nut right now.
Nutshell. Favorite music genre to hoop to?
I don't have one. I love all music.
You can get down to anything?
Yeah. Anything. Just, I like jazz, blues, rock, classic rock, metal, rap, trap, dubstep, electronic. Just, I know those are all very widespread. Like, there's so many different music genres. It's hard to just pick one, you know? I have no preference. It can be whatever sounds good, whatever matches my mood that day.
Okay.
Final comment?
Yeah, because I ran out of questions.
Okay. Love yourself. As generic and deep that may be, it's real, and as simple as it is, that's really what all of us need to do, whether you're man, woman, hooper, non-hooper, artist, singer, dancer, fighter, whatever the fuck you are. Love yourself. Makes shit a lot easier. This is how you get bloopers.
This is. Like this right here will probably be a blooper scene. I can never get this shit done.
You know, I can see that you're recording.